guys, and welcome back to Go Invest YouTube channel. Today I want to talk and show you guys the steps on how to buy gold. The steps are: number 1, buy 99.9% or 24 karat pure gold bar or coin. As you guys can see here, different carat have their degree of purity, or in another word, its gold content. So always beware of the gold content of the gold bar or coin, because some of the gold retailers don't sell it with the gold content that we are looking for. And also, for every gold bar or coin we have a gold certificate like this. So you guys can see this is 1 gram gold bar and this is the gold certificate. So look for the gold content information at the front and at the back side of the gold certificate before buying a gold bar or coin. As you guys can see, it will be written over there. The finesse is AU. AU stands for gold, and 999.9, that means it's 99.9%, and also it will be written at the front 999.9 fine gold. And this is the gold coin. Also you guys can see, okay, it's written at the back, gold certificate. The finesse is AU. AU stands for gold, and 999.9, that means it's 99.9%. Alright guys, the second step, do some research on the price of the gold bar or coin. Many gold retailers in yours and my country will sell it in various prices. Here you go guys. In this website is moneymetals.com. It will show the latest international gold price and rate for per ounce, gram and kilogram. So you guys can see gold price per ounce, per gram and per kilo, all is written in dollar. So you just convert it into your country currency in internet and you will get the actual price for per ounce, gram and per kilogram. With this website you guys can differentiate the price of the gold bar or coin with the gold retailers out there, so that you guys don't have to pay more than it worth for. Of course guys, who want to pay more than this gold actually worth for? The step number 3 and the last step is buy gold bar or coin from an authorized gold retailer or national bank. In order to know it's an authorized gold retailer in Malaysia, Sendirian Berhad or SDNBHD will be written after the shop's name. In your country, there will be a suffix written after the shop's name. Look out for these guys, and I highly recommend to not purchase from online because the gold bar or coin might be fake. Follow these 3 simple steps and you guys also will own a 24 karat legit and not so expensive gold bar or coin. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment and share this video guys. For those who are new here, subscribe and click the notification bell to stay up to date with Go Invest.